Let us now begin with the methods of concentrating the ore. Now we have said that we will select a mineral from which we can obtain the metal in profitable amount and economically we can extract it. So such a ore is selected of the metal, but this is mixed with various gangue material. That is, sand is present, rocky material is present. So we need to remove this gangue material from the ores. So this process of removal of rocky material or the gangue is called as concentration of the ore. So what are we doing in concentration? We are actually increasing the percentage of the metal and we are getting rid of all the gangue and the unwanted material that is present along with the ore. So the process of separating gangue from the ores is called concentration of ores. Concentration of desired metal is increased. So in this method, we are actually increasing the percentage of the metal and getting rid of the gangue material. Now, there are various methods that are used for concentrating the ores, and this method depends upon the physical properties of the metal, whether the metal is metallic or non-metallic, so that the methods keep changing or differing depending upon the physical properties of the metal. Even reactivity of the metal is taken into account. Highly reactive methods have got different methods of extraction. Moderately reactive, low reactivity metals. Every metal has got a different method of uh, extraction and purification. So these are some criteria that are followed for concentration of the ore. So we are going to study various methods of concentrating the ore. Out of that, the first method is separation based on gravitation. Now, gravitation method depends upon the components of the mixture have different weights. So if the method of separation is based on gravitation, then in that case, the weight of the metal and the gangue particle is taken into account. So generally the gangue particles are very light in weight, whereas metals are heavy. So difference in the weights are taken into account when separation is being brought about using gravitation method. Before concentrating the ore is crushed and it is converted into a fine powdered form, and then the concentration of the ore begins. So we are going to first study separation based on gravitation, that is difference in the weights of gangue and the metal. So metal particles are going to be heavy and the gangue is going to be light in weight. The first method that is to be studied under gravitation is Wilfley table method. So the name Wilfley comes from the inventor of this table, Arthur Wilfley. Arthur Wilfley spent his entire life mining, and he even owned one of the mines in the Rockies, and he spent all his life and energy just inventing various methods in which the concentration of the ore can be brought about, because he knew that there were tons of ore that was lying inside the earth and that it needs to be brought out and purified so that we can obtain the metal in a very large quantity, but only if the method of extraction and purification are economical. So this is one of his inventions, that is the Wilfley table he had invented. And what this Wilfley table was and how did it function, that we are going to study now. Now first we will try to understand this diagram here and then we will go through the points. So this is the Wilfley table. Here you can see it is inclined, that it is sloping. So it is having an inclination or a slope, and this is the direction in which the slope is present. Now here there are three trays which you can see, and there is a pipeline through which the force of water can be given out. Water can be forced out of it, and through these trays we are pouring the powdered ore. So powdered ore and water, they both are forced upon to this Wilfley table. Now this Wilfley table has got certain slits. or you can say depressions that are present. Quite a lot of depressions are present over here. Small little narrow lanes, you can call them as, they are a little deep, and they are called as slits. So these slits are present. This table is always kept vibrating. It is kept vibrating so that the difference in the weights can bring about the easy separation of the metal and the gangue particle. So that is kept on vibrating. And these are called as rifles, wooden rifles. And they are longitudinally arranged. So they are longitudinally arranged wooden rifles on the Wilfley table. Now, the mechanism or the working, how does it function? Powdered ore and water, they both are laid inside. Now they are going to fall, and they are going to come and fall upon this Wilfley table, which is constantly vibrating. Now, due to the force of the water, the lighter gangue particles, they easily get carried away through this table, and they are all going to be collected in this tray that is present at the last end over here. So gangue particles along with water are going to be collected in this portion of the arrangement that is there. So here you have the gangue material, because it is lighter, and so it gets easily carried away by the flow of water. But metal particles, they are heavy, and so what happens is that when the force of the water comes in along with the powdered ore, the metal being heavy, it gets settled into these slits which are present. If some of the particles escape out, metal particles, they escape out, they still have a chance to get settled in the subsequent slits which are present. So this way, metal particles are deposited into these slits, and slowly they will slide away, and they all will, due to the inclination that is present, they all are going to be deposited into this tray that is present over here. And here all concentrated ore, or the ore which is having more percentage of metal and lesser of gangue, will be collected in this tray. So this is how it functions. Let us read the points that are written here. Narrow and thin wooden rifles are fixed on inclined surface. So these are the Wilfley table, or the inclined wooden rifles. Table is kept vibrating continuously. Powdered ore is added on the table. Stream of water is poured and is released from the upper side. Lighter gangue particles are carried away by flowing water. So all the lighter gangue particles, they all will flow down and they will collect over here. Heavy mineral particles get blocked by wooden rifles and are collected between slits. So these are the wooden rifles which are present, and these are the slits. And due to the heaviness of the metal particles, they get accumulated into these slits, which gradually slide down into this tray, and concentrated ore is obtained. So this is how the Wilfley table works on the basis of gravitation. Let's move on to the next method of separation.